Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize volume styles panel into your CUBOT X19S. First step, go into Play Store and find volume styles application. This one. So click install, wait for installing, then open. And now you need to choose your volume style panel. So, for example, like iOS. Click it, and on the top we got start button in the right corner. Tap, and then give permissions for this application. Click here to turn on, and one more time in settings. Turn on, click OK. And now we got a new volume styles panel from iOS into your CUBOT X19S. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.